Hi everyone, let's go through section 2. This week is going to be about genetics, heredity, and inheritance. So we'll cover some of the basics of the cell, of the cell, DNA, what it looks like, differences between DNA and RNA, and heredity and inheritance. So this goes back to really the basics you probably learned in high school biology. I've also got a couple of actually one article, Curse and Blessing in the Ghetto, which relates to Tay-Sachs disease. And this is by the same man who wrote Guns, Germs, and Steel, Jared Diamond. So I think it's going to be, I know it's a really good read. And then also 2 videos, DNA, The Secret of Life, which is a bit lengthy. I think that's about 40 minutes. But it's really helpful, and you can listen to it if you're not able to just sit and watch it. And then a very short video, The Evolution of Lactose Intolerance, which kind of explains how natural selection also works with DNA, which is the point of these early lectures, because they will definitely tie in as we get to human evolution. While you go through these different lectures and the article and video, I want you to also keep an eye on these objectives, because these are basically the guides that you want to follow as you're reading through these things. So watch and listen and read with intention, and that is, what are you supposed to understand at the end of these or in each of these assignments? What are you supposed to understand from there? And that's what these learning objectives will tell you. You can also email me if you have any questions, of course, as well. All right, take care.